Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my unboxing of the premium Boxycharm subscription. Let's just get into it. Okay, here's what it looks like in there. So anyway, the first thing I'm pulling out is the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. I think that was my pick. It says, this revolutionary makeup primer is infused with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers that work together to boost skin's radiance, promote elasticity, and help hydrate while locking down makeup for fresher, longer, more flawless wear. Retail value is $35. Okay. Next is the Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. Let's see. Looks like that retails for $48 and it is a Boxy exclusive. $48 for this brush set? I don't know. Yeah, that's crazy. Next thing I got, oh, really? Another single eyeshadow? This is the Dose of Colors Single Eyeshadow in Reflection. And those retails for $20. I'll show you what the color is, but I don't think I'm keeping it. Okay, that's what it looks like. Oops. There, so I don't blind you. I don't know. No, I don't think I'm keeping that. Okay, next thing I got is the IGK Pre-Numbed Instant Spray Hair Mask. It says, this high-powered in-shower treatment forms like a traditional hair mask but works in under a minute. Multitasking mix of moisturizers include almond oil and cupuaçu butter, deep condition, repair, and strengthen hair, whilst apple cider vinegar adds a dramatic shine. Retail value $32. I think I just picked this up at Ross not a while ago. Oh, that's okay. I'll have a backup then. I'll keep that. And the next thing I got is Rowan Liquid Lip Balm. It's in the shade Charlie. Excuse me. A non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss, this liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect, it provides the high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. Retails for $26. I'll try that. And the last thing I have is from Kypress. It is their Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer plus Shimmer Palette Set. Huh. You get two things? Cool. Hold on a second. Let me open that up. Here's what the shadow palette looks like. I'm sorry, I'm gonna blind you. That's pretty. I'd keep that. Sorry, I look like hell today if you saw that. I have a raging headache that hasn't gone away yet, but I wanted to film everything, so. And that's pretty. I never got to try anything from Kypress. That's nice. I'm happy to try that. So that's cool. That's a pretty good box, too. Not a bad box. I am getting rid of two things, so, those will go up on the swap site. So, anyway, I'll have totals of everything listed when I edit. So, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like subscription box unboxings. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.